Oh, good morning and happy Sunday. I'm meteorologist Joe Hansel with you, predicting severe weather threats. Let's dive into the pond, the Atlantic Ocean first, and talk about the tropics. Tropical Depression 5, moving northeast 20 miles per hour, zipping just northeast of the island of Bermuda. City Hamilton in Bermuda right there, with winds at 35 miles per hour. Still below name status, but it is expected still to reach the fifth named storm in the Atlantic hurricane season very quickly later on today. It looks like it'll shatter the record of the earliest fifth named storm for the Atlantic hurricane season on record. So we'll keep an eye on Tropical Depression 5, bringing in some gusty gale force winds to Bermuda early this morning. In the lower 48, there's a lot of heat to go around, a lot of 90s and 100s, 112 most notably in Phoenix. Have a couple of fronts on the board. If you're in that kind of light red shaded area, that is where thunderstorms will be possible for that Sunday. In terms of advisories, watches, warnings, mostly quiet across the nation, but the devil is in the details, as the cliche says. In the southwest United States, the heat is out there. Elevated fire weather threat is burning areas between Reno and Elko, so red flag warnings are out today. Fire weather watches in the tan shades include Las Vegas. That's out for Tuesday, later this week. Some severe weather will be most notable in a couple areas across the nation today. In the upper Midwest, Fargo, Pierre to areas of northeast Wyoming, slight risk for large hail damaging winds with some storms firing up. East of the Rockies, from Denver to areas of New Mexico into the Panhandle, large hail damaging winds, possible storms out there. And with a backdoor cold front from Maine, all in New Hampshire, south to Boston and Providence, damaging winds will be possible with some of those thunderstorms in areas of New England today. So be mindful with that slowly moving cold front. Areas of Maine to Boston could be stormy later this afternoon. And looking ahead, a little bit hot across the nation.